Irdina. Today we will be reading a book entitled Educate the Girls, Save the World. This book was written by Pahi Shrivastava and illustrated by Sonal Goyal and Sumit Sakuja. Let's start. Tring tring rang the school bell. All the students went running to the huge Shaturbuja tree where they would sit under its shade. A big, shady, leafy green tree it sure was. But what is this I see? Only the male gender is present. Since I am a girl, I must flee. But why is the female gender not being educated? So, here is where my story starts. People in this world don't want the female to be educated, but somehow few countries manage to educate their girls. So, it's story time, and I hope everyone has fun. 4-year-old Lakshmi asked her mom, Amma, I want to go to school. I want to be educated like Bapu. Before Amma could answer, Bapu came inside and said in a stern voice, Lakshmi, don't talk about these things. Girls don't go to school. Now be quiet and silently sweep my room. Without saying anything, even Amma got on with her work. That's sad. Lakshmi looked at her mom. Perhaps that meant bye, and walked out of the house to meet her friends, Anu, Swara, and Srestha. This is what she said. If we are stranded in the jungle and we are not able to find our way, and we very much wish to calculate how far the village is, for that we need to study, and for that we need a school. We will collect money from each house to build a school exclusively for girls to study. Let's get to work. Wow, Lakshmi is very determined. They went to every house and pleaded for some donation for money. Soon the day passed and they had collected a lot by going to 15 different villages. They gave the money to the headman and the builders started the construction. Almost lots of girls from about 21 villages used to come to that school every day. Looks like Lakshmi and her friends created a living and made way for a future. Did you know she became a school principal when she grew up and won lots of big awards? However, this is not based on a true story, but we can take the lessons that we learned from this story and see how important it is for us to educate girls. Education is not just for males. Females should have the rights to be educated as well. Let's educate the girls and save the girls. Before I end my video, I'll give you 3 reasons why it is so important for you to be reading books. First of all, reading books helps you learn new things. There's so many things in this world that you didn't even know you didn't know. Secondly, reading helps you dream big. I know you must have a really, really big ambition, something you want to achieve when you grow up. When you read more books, you'll see that there's so many more things you can be in life. And thirdly, reading will help you get on an adventure without having to leave your house. Read. You can explore so many things without even leaving your room. Okay? So, get a book and read. That's all from me. Bye-bye.